What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So HayCoin has been getting a lot of traction, whether it's on X or it's on YouTube. I've been seeing a lot of traction. I put a video out on my Matthew Perry 2 channel, and it seems to get some of the most views that we've gotten on that channel. And it's very interesting to me because HayCoin is currently standing at multiple millions of dollars per coin. We've seen it at $5.5 million per coin. We've seen it at with a higher supply. We are now seeing it with a lot lower supply, which really makes a lot of people interested. But that's why it's turning heads, right? And also the fact that it's labeled as the original, the first meme coin. And we'll talk about that. Let's go ahead and have that discussion and understand why it's turning heads and why I decided to buy HayCoin. Did I buy a lot? No, I did not. But I did buy some HayCoin because I feel as though it's definitely gaining some traction. And when I see popularity, I want to see what the video does on this channel to see what that popularity actually is. It doesn't mean that you go out and buy it, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go out and purchase it and just spend all of your hard-earned money on this one play that may be a one-off. You don't really know exactly what will happen with this, right? We're not seeing a crazy amount of volume that has happened in the last day. We're not seeing a consistent crazy amount of volume that's happening in this position. And we're also not seeing a lot of places that this is available on. So just be careful, guys. I invested into it because I'm not sure what it will be. And maybe it'll take a year to actually confirm what it is. Maybe it'll take 2 years to confirm what it is, or maybe it will never confirm what it is. But when you see popularity, when you see a position that has gained this much popularity, I can't help but put, a couple tens of dollars into it. I wanted to put a couple hundreds of dollars, but, the Ethereum side, right? MetaMask on the Ethereum side was being kind of weird. And it ended up charging me for failing through a transaction versus, actually having the transaction go through. And it was like $20 at the time. So it was super expensive, but I wanted to get it in there, and I ended up getting only about $70 worth, which is a very minuscule amount. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. And don't forget about my new credit card YouTube channel, which we're very close to 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate you guys, whoever has subscribed. If you haven't, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I want to also grow my Rumble, so feel free to check out my Rumble link and follow me over there so that we can grow that to another level. And I'll offer some unique videos, but I'm also re-uploading some of the content that's on here. So make sure you go over there and support that. But let's talk about HayCoin really quick, right? Because HayCoin is currently standing at $1.8 million. You can see that here, right? $1.8 million per coin. It's up 15% on the day. You can see how it has moved. It was hovering around 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, and then skyrocketed up to about 1.8 million. Now, will it hold at these levels? Maybe not. We've seen it all the way up to a high point of $5.5 million. That was still at a low market cap. And the reason why it was still at a low market cap is because there's only 4 coins that are available. 4.35 coins that are available. So if I just round down and say that 4 times 5, it was at a $20 million market cap, which is still insanely low for something that does have popularity. So it makes me think about it. It's like, where do you believe this is going to go? Well, it all depends, right? In the bull market, we could see this absolutely take off as an actual meme play if it has that popularity. And as I was posting on Twitter, as I posted things on, I guess, on X, I noticed that it was getting maybe a little bit of traction as I talked about, HayCoin in multiple time frames. So if I scroll down here, again, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, you can, and also follow me on Rumble. Just click on one of these links and you'll see that. But as I talked about HayCoin, you can see here it's getting 65 likes, which is more than some of my other posts, right? 5 likes, 10 likes, 5 likes, right? And then you could see another one where Coinbase lists Pepe. I want to see Coinbase list Pepe, and it's currently at 18 likes. You would expect that to get a lot more. But then As you go down here, HayCoin, 63 likes. HayCoin, 115 likes. So it's definitely getting a little bit of traction on YouTube or on X, and that's why it's kind of interesting. I want to see what it does over here, because even on YouTube, it provided a little bit more views than what I expected on that video and on some other videos, honestly. So again, HayCoin sitting at a $1.8 million market cap or $1.8 million price, which means it is at about it says $1.8 million market cap, but that's not right. It should be, let's say, about an $8 million market cap or something like that. But it currently says that the overall market cap's at a $74 million market cap. That's not right. Or the fully diluted is at a $1.8 million market cap. Again, that is not right. If we look into the amount of coins that they do have, let's go into the contract, you can see that 95%, if I can go into the holders and they show it, 95% of the supply has been burned off. 91.5, the overall amount that they had was 95. So they're left with about 4.34 that is burned off. Split amongst 5,879 holders. So if I go into my position in MetaMask, you're going to see that I scroll down and I have Hay, right? I have 0.00003 of Hay. I don't even have a, 10% of a penny. I don't even have I have a very, very low amount. I mean, when it comes to price point, I have $53.87. However, people believe that this could turn to a $1 billion coin. And I've seen people talk about it, that it could be a $1 billion, multiple $1 billion coin, that we could see this at not only a $4 billion market cap, but a $40 billion market cap, meaning that each coin is worth $10 billion. That would be insane to see each coin worth $10 billion. Just that on the screen would be insane. So anyways, it's getting a lot of traction right now, and we're seeing a lot of people that are talking about it. I've talked about it a couple of times. And again, I want to see how this video is going to do on whether we're going to continue to talk about it. Now, before we leave here, I want to let you guys know, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and get it. I'm not telling you to buy this position because it is going to be the next meme coin. I'm investing into it with a very, very small amount, an amount that I'm okay with losing. At one point, this was down to like $30, and it has decreased a lot for me, right? Not the overall price, but it was down to $30 for my balance, meaning that I'm okay with letting that go. So if you are not okay with letting the amount of money that you were putting into it go, if you are not okay with losing everything that's in there, then don't invest that money. Be careful with your money. Invest into some ETFs, invest into some long-term positions if you want to. However, if you want to get this, the easiest way to get it is on Uniswap. I tried to do it through Dex Tools, and that's where I ended up getting the fee that got kind of taken from me, and the overall transaction got denied. So I then basically paid $20+ to not have a transaction go through, and it kind of pissed me off. But I live and I learn, right? You learn every single day. So I'm going to tell you guys, don't do it through Dex Tools. Do it through Uniswap if you are going to buy it. But I do plan on maybe having a little bit more. I would like to have $100 worth to start, and then that would be great. So let me know what you think about this coin. Do you believe that it has any type of potential? Do you believe that it is the original meme coin? Do you believe that with 4.3, that's it, not 4.3 billion, not 4.3 million, 4.3 coins, that we can see this absolutely skyrocket and everybody hold a fraction of the coin? Let me know your opinion down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.